Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can apply for Amazon affiliate program in Amazon. So it will be a complete quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further doing, let's dive into the main topic. So here actually you can see we are already in our Amazon platform. So I just want to apply for Amazon affiliations in Amazon. So I will go over here and search for Amazon affiliate program and then hit the enter, and there I will get this link called https://affiliateprogram.amazon.com. So here I will visit that place, and once I visit here you will get to see that we are able to sign up. In here the mail, there is a notification we have, that is the email mobile number are using is not connected to an associate account. If your account was previously connected, please check your inbox as you see. So here you just need to be signed up, then they will recommend you such minimum product, and you can earn up to 10% in associate commission from qualifying purchase and programs. Our competitive conversation rate help maximizing your earnings. So here I will just click to the sign up. Once I click over here, then here you just need to be provide your information one by one. So let's provide my information, that will be Mahim, and then here I will provide my address line, that will be Dhaka. Like you just need to fulfill these things, and then you just need to be choose your province or your state. Then here you just need to be provide your country, you just need to be select your country code over here. Then let's select our country, that will be Bangladesh. So let's select my country, and then here the phone code will be +880 as my country code. So here you can see it, this one. So here we just need to be, and once you're done you just need to be click to the next. Once you click to the next, then they will give you the website and mobile app list to connect it with this platform, and then they will allow you to create your profile. Once you create your profile, start using Associate Central. Now into the fourth step, you are allowed to start using Associate Central program for you. This is the easiest way. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic